Welcome to English Podcast
from Speak English with Ease.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English with Ease. I'm so happy to see you all here today. How are you doing, Jackson?
Hi, Eliana. Hello, everyone. I'm okay. Just okay. I feel a little bit like a robot today.
A robot? Why do you say that, Jackson? Do you have metallic skin today?
No, not that kind of robot. I just mean my day feels the same every day. I wake up, I drink coffee, I work, I sleep. It all feels very automatic. Daily routine.
Ah, I understand. Many people feel that way. Daily routines can feel a little boring sometimes, right?
Yes, exactly. It's the same things over and over again. I wake up at the same time, I eat the same toast, I see the same people.
Well, that actually makes today's topic perfect. Today, we're talking about daily life, but not just the boring parts.
Oh, really? Is there an exciting part about waking up at 6 a.m.? Because if there is, I missed it this morning.
Maybe not the time itself, but we can talk about how we feel during the day and how small changes can make a big difference.
I like the sound of that. Small changes are good, because big changes are too difficult in the morning.
So let's start at the beginning. Jackson, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
My alarm goes off at 6:30. It's very loud, very annoying.
Ugh, I hate loud alarms. Do you get out of bed immediately?
No, definitely not. I look at my phone for about 20 minutes, maybe 30.
Wow, 30 minutes. What are you looking at?
The news, social media, emails. But honestly, it doesn't make me feel good. It makes me feel busy before my day even starts.
That's so true. Your brain starts working too fast while your body is still in bed.
Exactly. Then I realize I'm late. I jump out of bed, rush to the bathroom, and brush my teeth very fast.
A very speedy routine. Do you have time for breakfast?
Just toast. I eat it while putting on my shoes. It's not very relaxing.
That sounds stressful. No wonder you feel like a robot.
I know, but what can I do? I have to be at work by 8:30.
What if you change just one thing, like not looking at your phone?
Not looking at my phone? But what will I do for 30 minutes?
You could sit, look out the window, or listen to the birds.
Listen to the birds? Aliana, I live in the city. I mostly hear buses and cars.
Even city sounds are better than internet stress.
Maybe I can actually taste my toast. That would be new.
Exactly. That's a small victory. So, how do you get to work?
I take the bus. It's crowded. Everyone is on their phone. Very quiet, but very busy.
And when you arrive?
I'm already tired. I say hello to my coworkers, Tom and Sarah.
Ah, yes, Tom the funny one and Sarah the quiet one.
I eat lunch at noon, usually a sandwich, at my desk.
Oh no, that's not a real break.
I know, but I have so much work.
If you take a 20-minute walk, your brain will work better.
Really? Even for numbers?
Yes, it's like restarting a computer.
There's a small park near my office. Maybe I'll eat there tomorrow.
That's a great idea.
Before we continue, friends, if you're enjoying this conversation, please like the video and subscribe to Speak English with Ease.
And comment routine below so we know you're listening with us.
The afternoon is hard for me. Around 3 p.m.
Ah, yes, the afternoon slump.
I want 5 coffees and a nap under my desk.
Please don't do that.
Instead, I drink cold water and stretch my body.
At 5 p.m., I close my laptop. Work is finished, life begins.
I struggle with that.
You need a finish ritual.
A ritual, like a ceremony?
For me, it's changing clothes. Work clothes off, comfort clothes on.
I usually watch TV, but I don't even remember what I watch.
That's passive time. What about something creative?
Like listening to an English podcast?
Exactly. Learning without pressure. Daily life is real life, not just weekends.
Every day matters.
Small changes make boring days special.
So my new plan: no phone in bed, park lunch, stretching, finish ritual, 15 minutes of growing.
That sounds like a beautiful life. Thank you for spending time with us today.
Remember, a small change is a big victory.
Subscribe to Speak English with Ease, like the video, and comment one change you want to make.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful, non-robot day.
See you next episode.